This video chart presentation of Forum Uranium brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Forum Uranium trades on Toronto Venture Exchange on the ticker FDC. Interesting look to this chart as a stock to watch this week. Made a nice move on Friday. It's given just a little bit back the last couple days. We're going to keep this on watch, see if it's going to push through resistance, try and come off this double bottom, continue the upward movement. Some very nice long-term things going on through here. Granted, right there was a great opportunity for it, but the markets kind of fell apart right then. Most stocks fell back. FDC was no different. Right now, though, we're still talking about another higher low being made. While the price per share is trending down, it's a nice positive divergence. Similar look with the PPO. See, the ADX is trying to put itself together an upward trend, trying to put some strength together. Can't really draw this trend line yet because this hasn't made a valley. That's the sort of thing that you look for. You look for this to come down and turn again, continue some upward pressure, add some strength to a trend. Positive negative DI is pretty neutral at this point. You see there's been some good buying pressure coming into this play as shown by the MFIs. Back up over top of 50. That's where you want to see them hold at this point. Accumulation distribution. Really going to be looking for it. Try and take out a top through here. Make a new higher high. Get out of this long-term channel it's been in. Show even more strength. Shaking money flow. Bit of a concern. Again, I can't really draw this trend line because this hasn't made a peak yet. But you want to see it continue its upward movement, get up somewhere into this area, not trying to establish a true downtrend. Like if it turns right here, that could be what's happening. But at this point, buying pressure is in control again. CCI, making higher lows. Any sort of pullback, you want to see the trend line continue, show the upward pressure. Same way with the full still. Coming through, making higher highs, trying to establish somewhat of a channel right now. Over top of 50, there's good momentum in the play. And this is very nice looking. Tricks making higher lows, like a bullish cross is going to happen again. Of course, you want to see that rotation back towards zero, but a good sign of long-term strength. A lot of things right here kind of at a make or break point. You see the RSIs have also pushed through 50, showing some good momentum in the play. Going to be up to these candles to take out some resistance and let those indicators continue. As I just put on there, you see a double bottom at 9 cents. Good support level. Of course, a very bottom support at 8, but you want to see it hold 9. It's hit it twice and held it. Also some good support right in here through 10.5, and even more importantly, 11. Little bit of resistance through there, little bit of resistance again. Sitting on top of it right now, kind of pinch between that and the 50-day moving average. Like to see it hold that 11-cent mark. If it wants to dip back, like I say, it does pick up a little bit more at 10.5. That's not that big of a deal. But right in that area is what you want to see hold. So it's making a new higher low, establishing a strong support level, and then could possibly try and push again. Now what I see for resistance, of course that 50 days, always a dynamic resistance, always gives stocks a little bit of trouble. But everything pretty much through here is secondary. 12 cents, 12.5 cents. I don't really see resistance picking up until this 14-cent area. From percentage standpoint, that's a pretty nice climb. You can see it's had 51,000 shares traded. It's a lighter volume stock. But you can see when movement starts to happen, volume comes pouring in. So that's something I'll have my eye on. Look for a volume spike to see us try and push above the 50. And potentially go up here and challenge this resistance at 14. If that happens, any sort of pullback, make another higher low, consolidate a little bit, and then try and take out the 14. It'll really help identify this as a true bottom for the play. And these indicators at that point should be in a full-blown bull mode and trending strong. Just to look a little bit further down the future, if it does break through 14, look for 16 to be a pretty substantial resistance again. But a pretty interesting chart. Like to take a look at these bottom plays. It's a good example of a real quick double bottom. And that's what I see for support and resistance. We'll keep this on the watch list and see how it performs the rest of the week. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the FDC stock chart. I am not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.